frozen cherries, granulated sugar, lemon juice, vanilla extract, cornstarch, water, an egg, milk, coarse sugar, and salt. These pies feature a filling that is cooked and thickened with cornstarch. You could use fresh cherries to make these pies, but I prefer to use frozen because they're already pitted. Most recipes that use puff pastry tell you to work with one sheet at a time, which is fine. But if you'd like to save a little time, you can roll the two sheets out together. Simply place a piece of parchment paper between them to make sure that they don't stick, and then roll as directed in the recipe. Mixture here is essential for the success of this recipe. In addition to helping the pies brown when brushed on top, the egg here also acts as a binder, helping the two pieces of pastry encase the filling and preventing the filling from spilling out all over your baking sheet as the pies bake. Don't forget to cut a vent in the top of each pie. Bake the pies for 30 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through or until they're deep golden brown. And this is what happens if you skip brushing the dough with the egg before you fill the pies.